The 2024 S&P 500 list is out and is now available to download. The S&P 500, or Standard & Poor's 500, is a leading U.S. stock market index consisting of 500 large publicly traded companies, representing various sectors, offering a broad market snapshot. Download the complete S&P 500 list in an Excel spreadsheet. Over the 12 months, the S&P Global recorded revenue of $21.4 trillion, marking an 18.89% increase compared to 2022. The top 10 companies in the S&P 500 include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, ExxonMobil, Walmart, Alphabet, Google, Johnson & Johnson, J.P. Morgan Chase, and CVS Health. Collectively, the top 10 S&P 500 companies amassed an annual revenue totaling $3.3 trillion, signifying a substantial segment of the S&P 500's overall revenue, which amounted to $21.4 trillion in the year 2023. Please add the list to your cart and proceed through the checkout process. You will have immediate access to download the spreadsheet once the credit card transaction completes. Thank you.